What up, guys? This is part one of fixing the new 350Z. So far I've taken the intake off. I took out all the spark plugs and the ignition coils, and now I'm taking off the plenum, the intake. I undid all these with 10. It's all 10 mils. So far, here they are. So supposedly this one is bad. Supposedly, it has multiple cylinder misfires. So don't know what's going on there. I looked at all these spark plugs. These are okay. This one I don't like the way it looks. This one's okay, and this one I don't like the way the tip looks. These tips, I already numbered all of them. She gave me new spark plugs included with the car, new oil. I have to buy. I'm buying new gaskets for this whole thing right here. For the intake and etc, etc. New injectors, because supposedly it might be an injector, so might as well replace all of them. And then I'm getting an oil pan gasket because it is leaking. I saw from the bottom, it's not leaking oil, it's just leaking oil over time. So replacing that. I might put an exhaust on this one because there is an exhaust leak all the way in the back. It's not connected to the car at all. It's just basically straight piped at this point. But overall, that's what I'm doing so far. Oil looks good. It's not black, it's brown, but I'm still gonna do an oil change on it. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna take this off, clean the throttle body, and take off the hoses, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be waiting for the parts to come in. I'm just gonna buy. So far, I'm spending, I think, 150 bucks so far, trying to get this car back and running. And I might have to drop the transmission due to the fact that whenever I put it in third gear, I hear like a grinding noise. Apparently it's a common thing on these cars for third gear to grind. I didn't know that. The last one I sold was a 009, but that transmission was amazing. So this is I think a 00A or H, depending on the forms. I don't know the transmissions for these cars. If anyone knows, put it in the comments. This car is a clean title. So, just doing the little maintenance stuff on it right now. That's pretty much it so far, guys. So, probably you'll catch me on the next video. If it's morning or not, depends. So, yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. Knock this out before 12 o'clock at night, and let's see how far I go. Alright, everyone. So, I got the manifold off. There was actually another hose. Actually, where is it? Right here. This one connects to the throttle body, and then a bunch of more 10 mils. That is bronze for heat, and I had to see a puddle of oil here. So thank God I'm taking this apart because the gasket was about to leak in the back. So getting new gaskets for this thing. So I'm gonna be taking this thing apart now, trying out the lower manifold, and then I could take out the plenum and then the injectors, because I want to see how the valves are, and then the cylinders, because it was idling pretty hard and it was misfiring. So we're gonna be checking it out. I'm gonna be cleaning this with brake cleaner. I'm gonna bring stuff from my job, clean this out really good. I actually might even take this to my job and clean them because they're pretty bad. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking this apart, and we'll catch up in the next clip, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so it's actually pretty simple. So now there is the plenum. So I only got a couple more screws left, and I can access it. I might even take off the fuel injectors, because I don't know yet. I can already tell that doesn't look good, but I still gotta diagnose it. Overall, it's pretty good so far. Pretty easy. I think I'm already like 2 hours in. Just taking my time, not rushing everything. You know, if you rush, you're gonna fuck up something. And yes, so that's what I'm at right now. So let's take the plenum off, try to take the injectors off. I gotta take off that. I gotta take off that, and this one. The 370Z is a little bit different. As you know, the 370 in the 370Z video, all of the fuel stuff was right here, and there was like one over here in the back. Or no, they were both, my bad, they were both right here in the front. Right here. This one's all the way in the back, which is pretty interesting. The different engines they did. So yeah, let me take care of this. I am gonna spill a bunch of gas, but I'm gonna be covering everything soon, since it's almost 12 o'clock here. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it, and I'll catch you back when I finish. All right, YouTube, so here's where we're gonna end the night. I got the fuel injectors out and the plenum out, and I took all the gaskets out. So I have everything covered up. This is how I laid out everything. So all the bolts are actually on everything, except for that one. I just put it inside, but everything else is on, so I don't have to forget. Overall, I did a lot. It's already 12 o'clock. I'm gonna take a shower and probably post this video. This is a part 1. I don't know what I'm gonna do part 2. Part 2 would be installing all the fucking gaskets and the spark plugs, etc., etc. I just wanted to take everything out, and yeah. So I'm gonna go take a shower. This was pretty fun. I haven't done this in a while. I mostly do oil changes and tire rotations at my dealership, so this is actually pretty fun doing it. Alright guys, so I installed the plenum. I installed all the new gaskets. I didn't show you it. They're from fucking eBay. They're cheap as shit. Got the new coil packs, put the new Bosch spark plugs. So all I'm waiting for now is the injectors. I already have it over here. I covered it right now. All the injectors are covered. I got the gaskets for the intake. My bad, for the plenum. I got all the gaskets for the manifold. So the manifold's ready. We're gonna be spray painting that shit black or something, I don't know, to match it with the cover. The wheels, I might put these wheels on. I don't know yet. If someone gives me a good price, maybe I'll throw it in the package. But I am asking $3K for these. And I can paint it any color you guys want, except for chrome. But I can paint any color you want. That's pretty much it. So all I'm waiting now is for the injectors, get this warning, and then I might put a tome on it. I don't know yet. I'll find an exhaust for it. And that's pretty much it. Well, YouTube is back together. It runs perfectly fine, other than the exhaust leak, which is creating back pressure. So it's popping. So I gotta fix that. I might find a YouTube video and see how do I reattach the muffler, because the muffler is completely detached. So it's just the Y pipe and then the resonator and then out the resonator. So it's fluttering. So it's like, it sounds really healthy, but it's also really loud because now cylinder 6 is operating efficiency and it's creating a lot of pressure to the exhaust, etc., etc. If you guys know exhaust, how they work, etc., etc. But anyways, so I got a code for the knock sensor, but I just resetted the whole car and it went away. The misfire went away. No misfire code, no check engine light. Let's go. So overall, it's freaking running healthy. All I gotta do is figure out how do I do have a tome, but I don't know if I want to put it on this car because I'm selling it. If I was keeping it, then yeah, I'll put the tome on. Fuck it. But I'm selling this car. What I gotta do is put this thing back with a couple screws. It's already healthy. I have this gasket right here. I might put it on the Z. I don't know yet. I gotta figure out how the fuck I do that. Oh, I see where this goes. But overall, it's running healthy. At first, I was scared it wasn't running healthy. Like, I really got like paranoid. But it is running healthy. So, overall, I just need to fix the exhaust leak and I can drive it to the shop, get it ready for paint, and then ready to sell you for you guys. So if you guys are still interested in this car, just hit me up. Maybe we can work out a price. The misfire is fixed.